Good afternoon, dear mates and tutor. My name is Sandra Borges, and I am going to explain the problem faced by the company Kodak case. That is a company that was founded for George Eastman in 1889. The company leads the photographic industry for many time, and had been the first to be successful on mass produce of plates, and introduced the first transparent photographic film, establishing a tradition of innovation. Well, the problem faced by the company of Kodak is that actually is not more a leader of the filmographic industry, and the innovation of the photographic digital camera and digital photographic was a very low hit for them. It's an administrative and managerial problem. The causes of the problem was that relatively late to recognize the critical impact of digitalization and avoiding making the necessary reconfigurations of these disrupted technologies. Another causes of the problem is that they try to retain both digital and traditional film business. The consequences of these facts is that not growing in this digital business is the inability to modify its core business, and dynamically methodologies disrupt competences and harness internal and external resources for value. This is the concept map that I drew about the case. Thank you very much.